Hey guys, are you a mom who feels like your days fly by, you feel like you don't get anything accomplished? Today I'm going to talk to you about the things that help me stay on track as a mom to 2 sets of twins. Yep, you heard that right. Between work, school, dance, football, baseball, and all of the other things I have going on in my daily life, I found a tried and true system for organization that not only helps me check things off my to-do list, but also helps me maintain my sanity as well. As an Army wife, my husband is gone a lot, so I spend a lot of time being a married single mom to my 4 kiddos. Over the years, I found that planning and preparation are definitely the key to making our lives function a lot smoother. Make sure to watch until the end for my free guide of essential oils for busy moms. If you've been looking for a mom who's going to be honest about the struggle of parenthood and give you the tools to help you deal, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Stick around until the end to hear my best tips, and I'll share my free essential oil guide for busy moms with you. Hey guys, I'm Amy Connor, and I've been helping people lead a natural, healthier way of life since 2013. I'm a mom to 2 sets of boy-girl twins and an active duty Army wife. I have a master's degree in mental health counseling, and I'm also an essential oil expert with doTERRA. My goal is to empower you and your loved ones to live a natural, healthier way of life. However, my favorite job is being a mom who will always be honest about the busyness of parenthood and give you the tools to help you deal with it all. Let's jump right in. Today I'm here to talk to you about the things that help me stay on track as a mom to 2 sets of twins. Between work, school, dance, football, baseball, and all of the other things I have going on in my daily life, plus being an Army wife whose husband is gone a lot, I spend a lot of my time being a married single mom. So I had to develop a system for organization. Here are my 4 quick recommendations for surviving a chaotic lifestyle like mine. Number 1, grocery list and meal plan. A few years ago, I got in the habit of meal planning for the entire week. Think cafeteria style menu board. Monday we're gonna have spaghetti, Tuesday we're having tacos, Wednesday's takeout, and so on. It's all planned. This little tool has become my absolute lifesaver. Why? Because it eliminated the dreaded, what am I gonna make for dinner tonight thought that most, if not every mom has had at least once a week. With the meal plan, my grocery list is done. On Sundays, I pull out a sheet of paper and the calendar on my phone to see what nights I'm home and able to cook versus what sports or activities are on the calendar that I'm gonna be busy running to and from. If it's a really busy evening, Crock-Pot and Instapot meals to the rescue. If I have around an hour or 2, I'm dishing up a quick, easy to make meal that everyone loves. But if there's a game or really long practice where I'm not gonna be home at all, takeout or fast food for the win. As I plan what meals are on the calendar, I write the ingredients needed on my grocery list for the entire week. Now I have my grocery list completed and the entire week's worth of meals done. If you like to keep everything on your phone, there are some really good apps out there to help store your meal plan. But if you're like me and want a family menu board hung in your kitchen, stay tuned until the end and I'll give you the link to the menu board I use and love. Number 2, drive up. After I'm done meal planning for the week, I'll go ahead and schedule a pickup or pay a little extra to have it delivered. That way there's no need to deal with those extra long lines. I love doing this for all the stores I shop at. Plus, it's a budget saver too. Why? Because there's less opportunity to shop hungry and end up with a cart full of sweets. And if you're like me, you won't be distracted in all the wonderfulness known as Target. Do you have some great ideas for organizing your life as a busy mom? I know my subscribers would love to hear what has worked for you and your family. And now for those final suggestions. Number 3, full focus planner. If it isn't on my planner, it doesn't happen. Why? Because I've probably forgotten about it if not. I have to juggle my schedule and each of my 4 busy kiddos. So in our house, not only do I rely on a specific planner, but you'll also find a family Google Calendar in our phones and Google Hub too. I've tried a few planners on the market, but none have compared to the Full Focus Planner. I've used this planner for a few years now, and it's truly a lifesaver for me. It's like my brain written out for me to see. Every week I sit down and fill in the information for the upcoming week. This includes breaking down bigger tasks that I have for the month, as well as the little things, like what day I'm gonna wash my sheets and towels. Seeing my day written out helps me time block all of my other to-dos into the week really easily. Plus, it's great to have on hand for all those random things that come to mind when I'm out and about and need somewhere to write it down. Stay tuned until the end and I'll give you the link for $10 off your first purchase. Number 4, kids collection. I cannot overlook the benefit of this supportive collection for daily life with my kids. With specially formulated blends specifically designed for kids, you'll find something for everyone in this collection. Brave, Thinker, Calmer, Stronger, Steady, Tamer, and Rescuer are the best set of blends for the ups and downs of a busy mom's life taking care of my kiddos. The ease and application make things super fast for me to get on them, especially in the rush of the morning when I'm sending my kids out the door to the bus stop. This collection consists of 7 blends that are non-negotiable for me and my family. You made it to the end, so as promised, here is my download for my free guide for essential oils for busy moms. Thanks so much for watching. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who has made the swap to natural wellness for her family, you found her. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video.